All right, Rob, let me show you what we got over here. You've been away in Kuwait, protecting us, doing what you can for us. This is Rob Gerlach. He's been in Kuwait, and I tell you what, this guy's just a fantastic guy. We're lucky to have him, and we're lucky to have him back. But while he was away, we put together this Mustang for him. He bought it a few years ago. It needed some work. I mean, he needed some things. So we threw the stripe on it. We threw this brand new vinyl top on it. We did a little bit of body work here or there. We got the radiator all done for you. We basically made a drivable car. Next year, we're going to do a full-blown paint job and a full restoration on it. This time around, we got ready for you to maybe fantastic. Go around the block.
It looks fantastic. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. You know, well, while I was over in the Middle East, I did something for you, and this flag was flown over Camp Arif Jan, Kuwait, in your honor.
No way!
And I have a certificate here, showing Mustang restoration. So I really appreciate what you guys do to keep American muscle alive, and, keeping this muscle car alive.
Yeah, right.
I was in the Middle East, and it's much appreciated. Thank
it's
you.
the least we could do for keep American muscle alive, because he's keeping America alive. Guys like this guy, we couldn't have a business like this. So thanks, Rob. We really appreciate it.
Thank you very
so,
much.
Hey, man, get in it, start up. Let's go, man. All right, first time in almost a year. Thanks, Rob.
Thank you.